Ever wonder what it would be like to just drop everything and go see the world? We did. So we saved up, rented our house out, quit our jobs, and hit the road.
We decided to drive to the tippy top of North America,
Arctic Ocean swim. Done.
then continue all the way to the very bottom of South America.
We bought a 97 4x4 Toyota Tacoma for this adventure. We named her the Joan Wilder.
We outfitted the Joan with heavier suspension, a shell, a rack, rooftop tent, awning, solar panels, a deep cycle battery, refrigerator, water filter, and a shower.
Not to mention a host of other goodies for off-grid camping.
We brought backpacks, running shoes, snorkels, and other little goodies so that we could enjoy the wonders of nature in a fun and inexpensive way.
We brought along tools and recovery gear just in case the Joan ever has a bad day.
Bad alternator, good alternator.
I brought a guitar and recording software, and I composed most all the music for these videos.
Our route will take us from Northern California up through Canada to the northernmost drivable point in the Northwest Territories, then down to Alaska, back through Canada and the States.
Then on through Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and finally Argentina, where we hope to reach the southernmost drivable point in South America. Then, who knows? We'll figure that out if we make it.